Hello everybody, today I would like to tell you how you can change the color in Photoshop in a simple way under 5 minutes. Okay, let's start. First of all, open your picture in Photoshop. After that, from the menu bar, select color range and then color range and okay. The color that you want to change, select first of all eyedropper. At first, I would like to change the skirt, the color of a skirt. So I click here and then OK. Uh, and after that, from the image adjustment and hue saturation, select this one. And the color that you want, you can change from here. I would like a red one. Select OK and then select deselect from here. Okay. But sometimes you may have some difficulties to select something, the color that you want to change. Don't worry, I will tell you the ropes. Now I would like to change the shirt. So I select this one from the color range. Okay. You may have see something is wrong to select. Okay, don't worry. Uh, from this icon, select quick selection tool. You may see the add to selection or subtract from selection. Something that you want to add, select this one and add. Okay. Okay. And something is wrong here and here. Select the subscribed and clean something that is wrong. Okay. You can zoom in to change it very easily. Okay. Repeat again. From the image, select adjustment and then hue and saturation. Okay. The color that I want. Maybe this one is okay. Now okay. And again select, deselect. Okay, finish. Have a good time.